Welcome back to Adventure Jeep, your ultimate destination for off-road adventures, Jeep gear reviews, and overlanding inspiration. Today, we're exploring the best camper shells for Jeep Gladiator, from rugged hardtops to flexible soft toppers. We've tested them all to find which ones truly elevate your next adventure. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the world of Jeep-ready camping gear that's built for freedom, comfort, and protection. Number 5. Truck Bed Soft Topper. The Soft Topper Foldable Camper Shell 2019 Plus is built for Jeep Gladiator drivers who prioritize flexibility, affordability, and sleek aesthetics. Designed specifically for 2019 and newer short bed Gladiators, this topper combines rugged functionality with a lightweight, collapsible frame that's perfect for both everyday hauling and weekend adventures. Crafted from durable waterproof canvas, it shields your cargo from dust, rain, and UV exposure while maintaining airflow through its side panels. The foldable design means you can easily open up the bed for larger loads or collapse it when not in use, a major plus for those who frequently alternate between work and recreation. Users love its tight-fitting structure and minimal wind noise, praising its value compared to expensive hardtops. It's a solid middle ground solution for adventurers who need reliable protection without adding excessive weight or cost. Number 4. Truck Bed Soft Topper. The Soft Topper Camper Shell is a versatile and practical choice for Jeep Gladiator owners seeking lightweight coverage without sacrificing durability. Compatible with 5-foot short beds, this foldable camper shell is made from weatherproof marine-grade fabric that shields against rain, sun, and road debris. It's ideal for outdoor enthusiasts who frequently camp, travel, or haul gear in varying weather conditions. Installation is simple, no drilling required. The aluminum frame design allows quick folding when not in use, giving drivers the flexibility to switch between covered and open bed setups. Reviewers highlight its excellent balance between utility and convenience, with many noting that it remains stable even at highway speeds. Whether you're transporting camping gear, groceries, or sports equipment, this topper provides reliable protection while maintaining the rugged look of your Gladiator. Its sleek, collapsible structure also makes it easier to store than a hard shell. Number 3. Hail Protector Car Cover. The Hail Protector Camper Shell Cover stands out as a heavy-duty, all-weather protection solution for Jeep Gladiator owners who want more than just a simple truck bed topper. Designed for 2020 to 2025 Crew Cab 5.0 beds, this thickened, multi-layered car blanket shields your Gladiator from hail, snow, UV rays, and heavy rainfall. Made from high-density waterproof fabric, it provides a snug fit around the camper shell or truck body, preventing scratches and dents during storms. Unlike traditional covers, this model is designed with reinforced seams and wind straps, ensuring it stays in place even during harsh weather. Many users have praised its performance in protecting their vehicles in severe hailstorms, making it a cost-effective insurance against weather damage. This cover is not only about protection, it also adds convenience. It folds easily into a compact bag, making it perfect for Jeep owners who frequently alternate between off-roading and city drives. Number 2. Armadillo CoveRex Camper Shell. The Armadillo CoveRex Camper Shell is a truly innovative option for Jeep Gladiator owners who value portability and flexibility. Designed for 2020 to 2024 Gladiator 5-foot beds, this inflatable truck bed topper offers a lightweight yet weather-resistant solution for camping or storage. Constructed from premium vinyl material, it creates a reliable seal against wind, rain, and UV rays, while remaining easy to install or pack down in minutes. Unlike traditional hard shells, the CoveRex inflates quickly using an air pump, making it ideal for overlanders and travelers who want to maximize cargo versatility. It's particularly useful for spontaneous outdoor trips, as it converts your truck bed into a cozy, enclosed sleeping area without adding permanent weight. Owners appreciate how quiet it stays on the highway and how it resists leaks during storms. Number 1. Pickup Truck Caps Topper Hardtop. The Pickup Truck Caps Hardtop is one of the most durable camper shells designed for Jeep Gladiator 2021 models. Built with a robust hardtop structure, it provides full coverage and security for your truck bed while giving it a sleek, OEM-style finish. Its dual-side windows and rear glass door enhance ventilation and visibility, perfect for long trips or camping weekends. Users love its tight seal and sturdy frame, noting that it keeps out rain, dust, and noise effectively, even on rough terrains. The installation is relatively straightforward with minimal tools required, and the overall look complements the Gladiator's rugged profile. This hardtop shell also adds extra value for adventurers who need weatherproof storage for gear, tools, or camping essentials. Thanks for watching Adventure Jeep, where every trail leads to a new story. If you found this review helpful, like, share, and comment below your favorite camper shell for the Gladiator. And don't forget to subscribe for more off-road product reviews, Jeep upgrades, and real adventure stories from the wild. Until next time, keep your wheels muddy and your spirit free.